In Convertri, you can use our Collections feature to add pre-built elements to your pages. From opt-in forms and headers to testimonial templates and footers, with our Collections feature, we've got you covered. To add Convertri's pre-built collections to your pages, in the Page Builder, go to the Collections element in the Elements toolbar on the left. Once the Collections modal has opened, click on Convertri Collections to view all of our pre-built collections. You can view each type of collection by clicking into each of the subfolders. Then select one you wish to use by clicking on it. Then click Add to add it to your page. Once it has been added, you can move it around by selecting the background element, and this will move all of the elements in the collection at once. You can see this on screen now.